Hello children. Hello. Now you know already four operations. Okay. Now second chapter is fifth class second chapter is four operations. What are the four operations? Four fundamental operations are addition. We use plus symbol. Addition, subtraction minus symbol, multiplication into, and division divided by. These are the four operations. The fundamental four operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now today in this class, in this video, we'll see about addition. We'll see how to what are the word problems, how they'll ask questions, what type of additions they'll give. Okay, that is missing numbers, how to find the missing numbers in addition we'll see now in this video. Now addition, the answer of addition we call it as sum. For example, 2 plus 15 is there. Okay, 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. We call it as sum. And we call 2 and 15 both are called addends. Addends, and we call it as sum. Either we can add horizontally or we can add vertically by arranging the places, one's place below one's place. By arranging the numbers we can add in any way. The numbers which we are adding are known as addends, and the total whatever we are getting, that one we call it as sum. (36, 25). Now I am adding vertically, and total is 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. Okay, we call 61 as sum. If you want one addend, if you know the sum, okay, to get the other addend, that is 61 minus 36. 61 minus 36 gives 25. Similarly, 61 minus 25 gives 36. Okay, if you want any one of the addend, that is sum minus the addend, sum minus other addend gives our required addend. Now while adding, we should add the digits in the same places. For example, let's take one question. 36, 461, 5265 plus 9. Suppose if you want to add all these numbers, we arrange vertically. 36. But 461, while arranging, don't arrange like this. One is there in one's place. We have to write below one's place only. Okay, 1 is under one's place, 6 under 10th place, and 4 100th place. 1s, 10s, 100s, like that. Now 5265 also. This 5 is there in one's place, 6 10th place, 2 is 100th place, 5 is 1000th place. Finally 9 is a single digit number. Like this you have to arrange. You have to arrange the numbers. While arranging, the digits in the same places must be added. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Now 6 plus 6, 12. 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. You can add in any order, no problem. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and 5. 5771. Okay, now this is the direct question. Suppose they will give fill in the blank, that is find out the missing number. In that case, how to find out the missing number, we'll see. One problem, let's take. Now 3, 6, 4, 7, one missing number asking 5, 8, 2. And other addend is 5, and again blanks given 5, 6, blank 7 and blank given, and total is given. Again in total also missing digits are there, 6, 9, box 9. Then how to find out the missing digits, now we'll see. Now 2 plus what gives 9? 2 plus which number gives 9? to get the other addend. It is sum minus 1 addend. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 2 plus 7, 9 minus 2. 2 plus 7 gives 9. Now 8 plus 7, directly you can add. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now 1 plus 5, we can add 1 and 5, it is 6. 6 plus which number gives 9? 6 plus what gives 9? Again 9 minus 6, that is 3. 6 plus 3 gives 9. Now 6 plus what gives 6 again? 0, additive identity. Okay, 6 plus 0 is 6 only. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, if you add you get 12. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus any number, do we get 2? Not possible. Therefore it is a 2-digit number, that is 12. We cannot take 22 or 32. Why? Because single digit we have to write here. Therefore the total is 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus which number gives 12? That is 12 minus 5. That is 7. 5 plus 7 gives 12. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus what gives 14? 7 plus 7 gives 14. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. This is how we find out the missing number. That is, while finding the missing numbers, we use sum minus 1 addend. Sum minus 1 addend gives the other addend. That is the use of this. And then next we will see word problems. In word problems we have these words all together, total, sum, in all. If these words are there, then that is the addition. For example, in a city, suppose there are 6 lakhs men, 4 lakhs women, 3 lakhs children. What is the total population of the city? Total population means what we have to do? We have to add number of men, number of women, number of children. We should write one below the other, and then we have to find the total population. Let's see one different word problem. Find the number which is 37,485 more than 1,38,393. Okay, one of the workbook problem, this one. Find the number which is 37,485 more than 1,38,393. For example, in place of this number, let's take 3. What is the number which is 3 more? 3 more. In place of this number, I am taking 11. What is the number which is 3 more than 11? How to find out? 3 more. 3 ఎక్కువ than 11. 11 కంటే 3 ఎక్కువ. ఏ నెంబరు? 11 plus 3, that is 14. 3 more than 11. 3 more than 11 is what? 11 plus 3, that is 14. Here also 37,485 is more than 1,38,393. Therefore, what is that number? 1,38,393 plus 37,485. If you want that number, we have to add these two. Now again, while adding, first I am writing 1,38,393 and arrange these digits below the same places. That is 37,485. Ones place, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. After arranging the digits, now I am adding 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 4 plus 4, that is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1 as it is. Therefore, what is that number? 1,75,875. Okay, these are the types of problems. In word problems, generally you can see those words all together, find, total, sum. If these words are there, generally you can add easily. This is a little bit different model. This is about the addition. Now in the next video we will see about the subtraction. Thank you.